What if I told you that the secret to easing your joint pain is already sitting in your kitchen cabinet? No expensive supplements, no pharmacy runs, just 3 powerful spices you probably already own. This video is for informational purposes only. If you're tired of stiff, aching joints and want a natural solution without side effects, you're in exactly the right place. I'm about to reveal 3 science-backed spices that can transform your joint health starting today. Stick around until the end because I'll show you exactly how to use each one for maximum results. Introduction. Today, we're diving into 3 common kitchen spices that pack an incredible anti-inflammatory punch. These aren't exotic ingredients. They're affordable, accessible, and probably already in your pantry. The science behind these spices is solid, and thousands of people have found real relief by making them part of their daily routine. Let's jump right in with spice number 1, and this one might surprise you. Spice number 1, cloves. The hidden powerhouse. Cloves might seem like just a holiday baking spice, but they're actually one of the most underrated weapons against joint pain. These tiny dark buds contain a compound called eugenol, and this is where the magic happens. How eugenol works. Eugenol is a natural anti-inflammatory that works similarly to common over-the-counter pain relievers. It targets the same pathway, COX-2, without the harsh side effects. Think of it as nature's gentle pain reliever. But here's what makes cloves truly special. They're one of the most antioxidant-rich spices on the planet. On the ORAC scale, which measures antioxidant capacity, cloves actually outperform blueberries. This matters because oxidative stress accelerates joint breakdown and cartilage damage. Real-world benefits. Research suggests that cloves don't just mask symptoms, they may actually help preserve joint structure over time. That means less stiffness, fewer flare-ups, and better flexibility in the long run. How to use cloves daily. Here are 4 simple ways to incorporate cloves. Number 1, clove tea. Drop 3 to 4 whole cloves in boiling water, simmer for 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. Add honey if you like. Number 2, ground cloves. Just a pinch in your morning oatmeal, smoothies, or curry dishes goes a long way. The third way, golden milk upgrade. Add a pinch of ground clove to your turmeric milk for extra anti-inflammatory power. The last one, infused oil. Warm olive oil with whole cloves and drizzle over vegetables. Important note, stick to culinary amounts. Cloves are concentrated, so more isn't better. A little goes a long way. Spice number 2, the cinnamon. More than just comfort food. Most people think cinnamon belongs on desserts and lattes. But this warming spice has been used medicinally for thousands of years, and modern science is proving why it works. The active ingredient. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, a powerful compound that fights inflammation and provides antioxidant protection. Studies show it can reduce inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein and TNF-alpha, both linked to painful joints. In one clinical trial, people with rheumatoid arthritis who consumed cinnamon daily reported measurably less pain and swelling compared to those who didn't. The circulation connection. Here's another benefit. Cinnamon improves blood flow to your joints. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your cartilage, plus faster removal of inflammatory waste products. Cinnamon also helps stabilize blood sugar, which might seem unrelated, but elevated glucose actually fuels inflammation throughout your body. How to use cinnamon. Try these easy methods. The first, morning oatmeal. Sprinkle cinnamon on your breakfast bowl with berries for double the antioxidants. The second, on smoothies. Blend half a teaspoon into your morning shake with banana and almond milk. Number 3, cinnamon tea. Simmer a cinnamon stick for 15 minutes, add honey, and enjoy. Roasted vegetables. Dust sweet potatoes or carrots before roasting for a naturally sweet anti-inflammatory side dish. Choose Ceylon cinnamon. Here's a pro tip. If you're using cinnamon daily, choose Ceylon, true cinnamon, over regular Cassia cinnamon. Ceylon has much lower levels of coumarin, a compound that can stress your liver in large amounts. You can find it at health food stores or online. Aim for about half to 1 teaspoon daily for best results. Now the spice number 3, black pepper. The game-changing enhancer. Black pepper might be the most overlooked spice in this lineup. It's so ordinary we barely think about it, but that's exactly why it's brilliant. The power of piperine. Black pepper contains piperine, the compound that gives it that signature kick. Piperine is both anti-inflammatory and antioxidant-rich, helping to cool down the chronic low-grade inflammation that drives joint pain. But here's the real superpower. Piperine dramatically increases the absorption of other nutrients, especially curcumin from turmeric. We're talking about a 2,000% increase in bioavailability. That's why turmeric and black pepper are always paired together in golden milk and anti-inflammatory recipes. How black pepper helps your joints. By inhibiting inflammatory enzymes and neutralizing free radicals, black pepper helps protect cartilage and reduce tissue damage. It's addressing the root cause, not just covering up symptoms. Simple ways to use it. The key is using freshly ground pepper. Grind fresh. Keep a pepper mill handy and grind right before eating to preserve maximum piperine. Add to everything. Eggs, salads, soups, roasted veggies. Fresh pepper works everywhere. Pair with turmeric. Always add a crack of black pepper to any turmeric dish or drink for maximum absorption. Include healthy fats. Combine with olive oil, avocado, or coconut milk to boost absorption even further. Safety note. Black pepper is safe for most people in normal cooking amounts. If you're on long-term medications, just check with your doctor, as piperine can occasionally affect drug metabolism. Your action plan. There you have it. 3 everyday spices with extraordinary healing potential. Cloves for powerful antioxidant protection. Cinnamon for reducing inflammation and improving circulation. Black pepper for enhancing absorption and fighting inflammation. The secret is consistency. You don't need huge amounts, just small daily doses woven into meals you already enjoy. Start today. Pick one spice and add it to your routine this week. Real relief doesn't require dramatic changes, just steady, simple habits that compound over time. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical, natural health strategies that actually work. Drop a comment below. Which spice are you going to try first? Have you already used any of these for joint pain? Share your experience. I'd love to hear from you. Remember, your kitchen is more powerful than you think. Sometimes the best medicine isn't in a bottle, it's in your spice rack. See you soon for a new video.